TCN Smart Fridge Weight Sensing Vending Machine. Shopping is as easy as opening your own refrigerator. 1. Select to open the door, left door. 2. Swipe card, enter password. 3. Take the goods at will. 4. Automatic settlement after closing the door. The shopping process is as smooth as chocolate, hassle-free payment, just grab and go. Not only can it be settled by weighing, but it can also be sold by piece. Your automated retail solution for mobile large capacity refrigerators. Double door design with electric defogging function. Top-mounted cooling module, adjustable from 0 to 10 degrees. The 20-scale multi-SKU solution can sell at least 20 different types of products at different prices. Weighed items with the same price can be freely stacked together. A wide range of products are sold, including coffee drinks, juices, fruits and vegetables, red wine, snacks and other products. Various customization options.